Hello and welcome to Junction. It's monsoon season. Time to enjoy the rainbows and sunshine, engage ourselves in various fun activities like playing in the puddles with water toys, going on a hike, boating, and also camp indoors, playing treasure hunt and puzzle games like Tangrams. In this fun video, let me present you different monsoon themed Tangram shapes. Here is the list of all the monsoon tangrams that I have shown in the video, and the timestamps of each shape is given in the description box. Before we begin, do subscribe to Junction since I shall be uploading more tangram videos, and press the bell icon to get the notifications of these uploads. Let's start. Here is the first one, a man with an umbrella. This is the tangram shape of a flower. After the rains, how beautiful the flowers look. A tangram shape of a hair dryer. This is a tangram boat. As children, many of us during the rains would have loved playing in the puddles, floating paper boats. This is a tangram houseboat. There are houseboat cruises available in monsoon season in some places. You can take a backwater ride or just relax in your houseboat watching the rain. This is a tangram boot. Monsoon is all about raincoats, boots, hats. A tangram hat. A tangram teapot. A cup of hot tea or coffee on a rainy day can be a source of warmth and comfort. One more tangram shape of a teapot. This is a tangram teacup. Here is a tangram kettle. This is a tangram frog. Monsoon is a breeding season for many animals including fish, birds and mosquitoes. A tangram mosquito. A tangram fish. This is a tangram snail. Snails are most likely to be seen during the rainy season because they need moisture to survive and grow. One more way of making a tangram snail. Hope you found this video fun and engaging. Perfect for kids and adults alike, this Tangrams is a great way to spend the time indoors during rains while creating different monsoon themed shapes. You can check out more such Tangram videos on my channel. Few links I have shared here. Do subscribe to Junction and press the bell icon. Thank you.